If you are a fan of the Hot Ones episodes where they interview celebrities while eating hot wings, you might remember these sauces. These three are the middle ones that are produced by Hot Ones themselves. You can buy them in a trio, which I have, because these are in the middle. These are not the mild sauces, and these are not the extremely hot sauces. So we have the Los Calientes version. They have three flavors. They have Barbacoa. They have this green one, and you might be able to guess what that flavor is. And then they have the red one. So all of these are a 4 or a 5 on their Scoville scale, 4 out of 5 and out of 10 in terms of hotness. So I'm going to try each one. Maybe you're interested in trying one of these and having one of these for your own home, because everyone who goes on the show says these are the tastiest of the wings. They're one of the tastiest sauces, these three. And so now let's see which one you might want. Start with the Barbacoa. Then we'll go to this Los Calientes version, which is green. And then finally this Los Calientes version, which is more of a red. I have some water here. This is just to clean the palate so I can get the flavor of the wing. So let's start with the Barbacoa. Yes, it does pack a little bit of heat, not a lot of heat. There's a little bit of heat in there. This one is kind of sweet, such as a like a barbecue sauce, but a little bit spicier. So the Barbacoa one, the first one I tried, kind of a sweetness to it. Kind of tastes like a sweet barbecue sauce, a little bit. Not very sweet though, a little tangy in there. So this one, yeah, this one is a sweet one, kind of like a chipotle sweet sauce. Think of a hot sauce, except it's a sweet barbecue hot sauce. You know, it's not my favorite of these ones, but it is still a good bet. If you like the sweet barbecue, like you go to Costco or anywhere and you buy barbecued hot wings, this is like that one with a little bit of heat. Again, it's a 4 level, so it's not that much. So let me go ahead and clean my palate with the water, and then we'll take on the middle one. So this one they claim has a Cali Mex flavor. So let me go ahead and try this one for you. Give my honest opinion, heat-wise and taste-wise. There is also a hint of sweetness to this sauce as well. Very, very slight though. But compared to other hot sauces we have, this is a little hotter version of a Verde sauce. Green Verde sauce that you might get on enchiladas. Even a little bit spicy, but it's not really near the highest spice levels you might expect. From the higher levels, it's a really nice, good flavor. Kind of like a chili verde style sauce. So if you're looking for a chili verde flavor, then this is the one where you want to go. So that leaves us with the third and final one. This is one that I was kind of expecting when I first bought my hot sauces. I wasn't expecting this version, but I didn't really look carefully, because this is the one I see on the show all the time. Kind of reddish, and it says Los Calientes. So let's see what this one tastes like. Not really boa sauce. It is a hot sauce. It's hotter than the other two. I'll give it that. It's a little hotter than the other two. It's got a nice little bit of smoke. It's like a smoked jalapeno, I guess is what you might call this one. It's kind of like your standard red sauce that you might have at any Mexican restaurant you might go to. Kind of has that kind of feeling to it. That kind of flavor. Would work great on tacos. It is a good hot sauce. It is flavorful. A little bit sweet. All of these three are just a tiny bit sweet. This one is like a chili verde. This is like a red sauce that you might have at a Mexican restaurant, but a little spicier. And this one is very smoky barbecue, like you'd put on barbecue wings or any kind of barbecue ribs, that kind of flavor. So that's where that one goes. Now all of these three, I will tell you, they are not very hot. This is the hottest three, but you're not going to feel that much heat when eating any of these three sauces. And I've had much hotter sauces, even Tapatio itself is hotter than, or Tabasco. It is generally hotter than these three sauces. But these are very good, very flavorful. That is why they sell them and people enjoy them on the show, because these have the good flavors. So if you're interested in buying them, you can always buy them from Hot Ones themselves. I might have a link to an Amazon page in the description below so you can get 1, 2, or all 3 of these sauces. I am not sure. We'll take a look at that. And if you enjoyed this, I'm sure you might want to take a look at me when I challenge on all of the hot sauces, including the bomb right over here.